When pain and sickness made me cry, who gazed upon my heavy eye and wept for fear that I should die? My mother, my mother. This was the greatest poem on the mother written by Annie Taylor. It was there as a poem when I was studying 10th standard. With this, we'll start 14th question from exercise 2.5 from triangles, which says the perpendicular from A on side BC. The perpendicular from A on side BC of a triangle ABC intersects BC at D. Intersects BC at D such that BD or DB is equals to 3CD. The condition is given here. Note down properly. DB is equals to 3CD and prove that 2AB square is equals to 2AC square plus BC square. Okay. Now ABC is a triangle in which a perpendicular was written from A to the side BC such that it intersects BC in such a way that DB is equals to 3CD. DB is equals to 3CD. Okay. What we need to prove is AB square, 2AB square is equals to 2AC square plus BC square. Okay. Now see that AD is perpendicular to BC given. In such a way it intersects BC that DB, this DB is equals to 3CD. DB is equals to 3CD. One thing. And 1CD. This is 1CD plus BD is equal to 3CD. Therefore, totally BC is equals to 4CD. I have derived BC is equals to 4CD. How? Understand. What is BD or DB? BD or DB, one and the same. DB is equals to 3CD. This distance DB is equals to 3 times CD. Here 3 times CD plus here CD. 3 times plus 1 CD. Total 4 CD is equals to BC. DB is equals to 3 CD. BC is equals to 4 CD. You got the point? You follow this? It's very easy. This DB is equals to 3 CD. 3 CD. Here one more CD is there. Totally BC is equals to how many CD? 4 CD. Okay. With this we can prove very easily considering triangle ADC and ADB, two right angle triangle. Here two right angle triangle you get after writing one perpendicular to BC. After writing one perpendicular to BC, you can have two right angle triangle ADC and ADB. Okay. Now consider triangle. Consider right angle triangle. Consider this is right angle triangle ADB. If it is right angle triangle, then you can apply Pythagoras theorem so that it becomes hypotenuse square AB square. AB square in triangle ADB. I am saying ADB. AB square is equals to AD square plus DB square. Okay. Now you make it in terms of AD square. AD square is equals to, after transferring DB that side, it becomes AB square minus DB square. AB square minus DB square because you have transferred this DB square from right hand side to left hand side. Okay. So from AD square, it was with the AD square, you transferred that side. You mark this as 1. Now consider triangle ADC. Consider what kind of triangle it is? Right angle triangle. Why? Because AD is perpendicular to BC. Okay. Consider triangle, right angle triangle ADC. So from ADC triangle, after applying Pythagoras theorem, you will get AC square because AC is the hypotenuse. AC square is equals to AD square plus CD square. This also take in terms of AD square. This you keep AD square as it is. Transfer this CD square, thus it becomes AC square. You have transferred the CD square, becomes minus CD square. Mark this as 2. Compare 1 and 2. If you compare equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, it is clearly noticeable that left hand side is AD square and AD square. Since the left hand side are equal, then RHS will become normally equal itself. That is AB square minus DB square is equals to AC square minus CD square. Because AD square is equals to AD square, so left hand side is equal. Therefore, we have equated AB square minus DB square with AC square minus CD square. AB square minus DB square is equals to AC square minus CD square. Okay. Now, what we need to do is just observe this. The statement prove what we have to prove is 2AB square should be there in the left hand side. Okay. Rest you send other side. AB square. Your eye should be on the answer itself here. AB square. Transfer this DB minus DB square other side, so that it becomes AC square minus CD square. This minus DB square become plus DB square. Okay. What is required now? AC square is required. Don't do anything with AC square. What is not required? CD square and DB square is not required. In this space, what is required? BC square is required. How you make this as a BC square? Here condition is there. Now see the condition. Okay. AB square is equals to AC square. Don't touch this. Minus CD square. What is this CD? CD is equals to BC is equals to 4CD, or this can be CD is equals to 1 by 4 BC. Consider this. BC is equals to 4CD, and if you want to take in terms of CD, then transfer this 4 other side, thus it becomes CD is equals to 1 by 4 BC. So CD you make it as 1 by 4 BC. CD is nothing but 1 by 4 BC. Maintain this whole square. Plus, what is this DB? DB is nothing but 3CD. 3CD. Maintain this whole square. Almost AB square not touching, keep as it is equals to AC square minus square apply for everything. BC becomes BC square, and since 4 is in denominator, so right in denominator, 4 times 60 plus 9, 3 into 3, 9 CD square, 9 CD square. Okay, how? Because you have to square it 3 as well as CD. 3 times 9 and CD into CD square. Now again write AB square is equals to AC square minus BC square by 16 plus 9. What is this? CD. CD come here. CD is equal to 1 by 4 BC, or BC by 4. BC by 4 whole square. AB square is equals to AC square minus BC square by 16 plus 9 BC square by 16. Why? Because BC, the square should be applied to BC as well as 4. BC to BC, BC square, 4 times 16. Now you observe these two, denominator is same, so that you can add or subtract the numerator as a LCM keeping 16. AC square minus BC square plus 9 BC square for both, LCM is 16, maintain as it is. Write on AB square is equals to AC square. Now see here, 9 BC square minus 1 BC square is plus 8 BC square by 16. 8 and 16 are multiples, therefore 8 1 times, 8 2 times. You will get AB square is equals to AC square plus BC square by 2. BC square by 2. Now take the LCM. After taking LCM, AB square is equal to 2 is the LCM. Maintain this 2 and multiply this 2 with AC square. 2 AC square plus BC square, it becomes after taking LCM. Understand? Now this 2 transfer other side, from denominator it goes to numerator, that is 2 AB square is equals to 2 AC square plus BC square. This is what was required to prove. 2 AB square is equals to 2 AC square plus BC square. Understand, children? What you need to do is DB is equals to 3 CD. So that you consider. After that, this is 3 CD and this is 1 CD. BC is equals to 4 CD. You make it. Or CD is equals to BC by 4 or 1 by 4 into BC. If you know this, then you take this. Consider two triangles ADB and ADC and apply Pythagoras theorem such that you will get that. And AD, write down everything in terms of AD and equate it. Once you equate it and substitute this in terms of CD and DB, you will get the answer. 2AB square is equals to 2AC square plus BC square. Understand, children? So see you in the next video with 15 question. Till then, bye bye.